Are you really tired of seeing other people making money with meme coin trading on Phantom Wallet? And you're probably wondering how they did it. Don't worry, in this video, I'm about to show you how to do it as well. So first thing first, you should understand for a fact that what really drives the price of meme coin is hype. So in this video, I'm about to show you how to use hype to trade meme coin accurately. That way, you will not get to be among the 90% of people that loses money in meme coin trading. If that sounds like what you are interested in and you literally want to know how to go about all of this, hit the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let's get into the tutorial real quick. So first off, in order to utilize the hype so we can use it in trading meme coin on Phantom Wallet, I'm going to be showing you how to utilize it right now. And to utilize it, you should understand for a fact that people that created this hype are insiders. So I'm going to be showing you a simple strategy that you can use in tracking down these insiders' wallet addresses. So that way you can get to know when they're about to hype up another massive project that can potentially make you to turn your initial $20 to $200 in a very short interval. So let's get right straight into it. So you will need to first of all open up your Dex Screener. We are going to be using Dex Screener to go about doing all of these with one other application I'll be showing you when we go further in the video. So once you've opened up Dex Screener, by default it is going to be like this. Dex Screener can show you hundreds if not thousands of newly listed coins pretty much in the last minute and hour. So we are going to be using it to do all of these as well. So once you've opened it up, you will need to click on trending 24 hours there at the top left corner of the screen. Then you select 6 hours. I'm going to switch it up to 6 hours by the way. And after then, we will also make some changes to these icons at the bottom lower. There are a lot of icons there. So we are going to be selecting pretty much some of these interface so it can suit this strategy as well. So first of all, select all chains and then you click on Solana and then you scroll down. You scroll to the right hand side a little bit. You get to see volume. You click on volume and then you put in a minimum range of a volume of about 100,000. Then you click on apply, and after then we will also make some changes to this pH. So click on this and then we will set in a maximum pH of about 2 hours. So we are going to now click on apply again, and after then that is pretty much it. So now you can see these are coins launched. This first one was launched 51 minutes ago, as you can see there. The second one was launched about 1 hour ago. This one 52 minutes ago, 1 hour ago. So these are all the coins that meet our criteria based off of what we selected on these sections. So we are going to be using it to do all of this, and as you can see, matter of fact, some of them are doing pretty good, but this is not what you should fall into, because I'm going to be showing you how to screen the one that has potential of making you to make money from these. Because I feel like a lot of people will now tell you to, pick anyone and buy randomly. That's not how it works. Majority of the time, if you do that, you're going to be losing money, like 99% of the time, matter of fact. So follow this strategy I'm about to show you, and let me show you how to achieve this. So this one called, let's just select anyone. Let's just use anyone in doing this demonstration, and let me show you how it works, so that way you can apply the same to pretty much any coin you could like come across. Okay, so now let's go for this one. This one has about 50,000 liquidity, more than 50,000 by the way, and 1 million volume and about 100,000 market cap. Okay, so now let us select this one rather. So as you can see, this one looks pretty good. There are a lot of gains, but do not fall for it. If you buy this coin, definitely they're going to like definitely rock for you, matter of fact, because these are not real data. All these things can be boosted and manipulated, by the way. So now the way I do my own is pretty simple. All I'm going to be doing now is to select this section that says transaction at the bottom lower there. Then you can get to see that these are all the real-time transactions going on the back end of this coin. Some people are getting in, some people are selling off, some people are, buying, interacting. So, but that's not our main focus. Our main focus is going to be on the top holders, top traders rather. So click on top traders there, and you get to realize that these are all the top traders available on this section. This one turned $52 into 496, and he realized a profit of 433. So that's pretty good. With just $50 you could do this. Imagine doing this up to 10 times in a row. That's some massive gains. So the way I do my own is simple. I usually track down these wallet addresses. These people that turn their small amount to a big amount, I usually track down their wallet addresses so I can get to know when they're about to buy some coins that can potentially also make them to make this significant gain as well. So this one looks pretty good. Let us track him down. This is also applicable to pretty much any coin you come across. So pick any one at all and watch out for the top holders, the top traders rather, and apply this simple strategy I'll be showing you. So stick around, and if you're enjoying this video up to this moment, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. It will really mean a lot. But I do prefer tracking down small profits. Those big profits are, very rare. Matter of fact, you can track down a little profit. This one has turned 41 to 61. That's realistically, like, it is more believable than this one, because 90% of traders loses money in trading. So this number here, 200 to 5,000, is pretty very rare. For the matter of fact, let us track this one down. This one that turned 43 to 98 and realized $55 profit. Let us track them down. Let us track that one down. But like I've told you, it is applicable to pretty much any one you want to track down. So after clicking on expand there, let me go back for those of you that do not know where we head to. You just have to click on expand here on any one you want to use. Just click on expand there, and then you get to see these accounts. Then you copy this wallet address. This is his wallet address. You copy it. Once you've copied it, you get to open up your Telegram. Let me open my Telegram real quick. Once you open up Telegram, you get to search for this section that says Ether, then cap lock D and ROPS. Then you click on underscore bots. So this is the one I do trust. Ether drop underscore bot. So me, I usually click on start to start everything up. Once you click on start, you can then click on tracking. If you want to track, if you want to trade, you can also trade with them. But this is not of like any promotional content. This is based off of my personal preference. I'm not like affiliated with them. So let me go over to tracking. Since that's the main aim of us doing this, so on tracking, you will need to now click on add, because we want to add some address. So once you click on add, you're going to now click on wallets. Then it says enter wallet address. So we need to paste the wallet address we had copied initially, and then we click on send. You can still add the name if you want to, like enter the name if you want to, okay, on the wallet setting, or you can choose to skip. Let me just skip it. And then wallet address has been added to the main watch list. You can customize wallet and add filters in wallet settings and thereabout. So this is all you will need to do. Matter of fact, there's nothing else to do other than waiting. Okay, if any notification comes, I'm going to show you how it looks like. So first, let me edit this. You can choose to edit and rename it. Let me rename it to let's rename it to insider one. Then we click on send. So wallet has been named, as you can see. So if we are going to go over to the main menu and we go over to tracking, you get to see that when we click on wallets, you get to see that the wallet was successfully added inside our one. So now we will need to only wait. If there is any buy or sell order, this bot is going to notify us. It's just going to bring out that pop-up notification. I will show you how it looks like. Let me go over to my other account. So on this account, as you can see, there are a bunch of notifications. Although I tracked down a very significant profits guy, the guy that turned like $100 to 10,000. So he's now buying a bunch of coins that I do not even know about. That's the more reason I told you, if you do not want to engage with people that are probably very huge in terms of the profit, that would be very preferable, because most times these guys know that you are tracking their wallet. They might want to buy some shitcoin that will probably rock pull you. So you need to be smart. Only track down what looks realistically. Any profit that looks unbelievable, I do not prefer tracking their wallet down. So when you track their wallet, for an instance, this one, I've been getting a bunch of notification lately. This one has now swapped his catalyst to Solana. That means he has sell it off. So when it sells, you also sell off. When it buys, you get a notification that says he has swapped his Solana for some coin, like this one now. When you get this notification, you get to buy. In the next like few minutes, you get to buy it instantly. And when it also sells, you sell along the line. That's how you make your money. So this is not a financial advice, because these guys know that people are definitely tracking down their wallet addresses. So they will definitely want to buy some shitcoin that will rock for you, like I've told you. So you need to play smart. Only track down something that is realistic. Okay? And when you track it down, for an instance, this one buy this coin that is called, his swap is Solana for Catholics. Is it Catholics? So you need to click on the catalyst, then you open it up. That's the way you need to buy it. If you want to buy it directly, you can still buy it on that Telegram bot. You can buy it directly there. But for me, I do prefer using an external wallet, which is Phantom. So you can come here like and copy this token address. Just copy it there. and then you go over to your Phantom. You can open up your Phantom and buy it directly from either Pump.fun, or you can buy it from Radium, or you can also buy it from Jupiter. And if you want my mentorship in meme coin trading, comment meme coin down in the comment section below, and I'm going to send you a link to my mentorship WhatsApp group where you will join and learn how to do this effectively in real time. And I'm going to as well guide you on how to do it yourself. So in the meantime, that'll be all for now. But keep in mind, the mentorship is not free. I'll probably charge you for it. So that'll be all for now. I'll catch you all later. Peace out.